there, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the opacity of any of the image that you have, or you can use it in any object or stuff like that. It can be applicable in any of the stuff. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say this is the image that I want to change the opacity of. So you can simply, okay, let me zoom out a little bit, make it more larger so it's like more visible for you guys. So in order to change the opacity of this image over here, let's simply tap into the image, and there comes a bar at the top section. You can see there's option of edit, busy remover, crop, clip, and this one right here is the option that says transparency. This is exactly where you gotta work on, so simply tap in that, and here you can simply drag it all the way down, and it's not visible anymore, but you just gotta like adjust the setting how transparent you want this to be. So yeah, maybe a little bit. So yeah, this is how you change the opacity of any of the image you'd like. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.